Today we got a video from Crime Scrutiny, and the title of the video is Karen Tried Telling the Officer How to Do His Job. It Backfired Fast.
This woman called 911 claiming vehicles from a business nearby were often blocking her parking space at home. When the officer arrived, he found multiple open spots and no ongoing parking violations.
I can smell alcohol on your breath. This is what I do for a living.
I get real mad.
Okay, you can get as mad as you want to, okay? I'm trying to explain it to you.
It doesn't seem fair.
It doesn't seem fair, but what I'm telling you is at 10 o'clock in the morning, when you're trying to leave, the cars that are blocking you are not here for vixens. They're not open.
They were here. That's why they were here.
How do you know that Porsche was related to vixens?
Because I saw it pull. It was pulled in there the night when I came home.
Okay, so how did you get in there if it was here?
Okay, so if I park right there and a red Porsche is coming up right here behind me, that came in before me, it blocked me in after I came home and walked and got dinner with my friends and walked home. Like, I live here.
I understand that.
I live here. I parked my car there. I live here. I have to get out and in.
I understand that, ma'am. What I'm saying is...
There is a sign that says Arnold's Towing.
It's time for you to start letting me talk, okay?
You want to arrest me?
No, what would I want to arrest you for?
Nothing, because you have no stance.
Leave your car right there. If you get into it, you're going to jail for DUI. We're done.
Do it.
Have a nice day.
What's your name?
Have a nice day.
Your name.
My name
right
is Have
now.
a nice day. Get your fucking hands off of me or you're going to go to jail. Do you understand? Do not put your hands on me. Do not reach for anything. Do you understand?
What's your name?
Do you want to go to
Name.
jail? You're not getting it.
Name.
You're leaving.
Name.
You're leaving.
Your name.
You are leaving.
Officer.
You're not getting it.
Your name.
Don't reach for anything
You
in
are
your
touching
pocket.
me?
Yeah, because you know what? Turn around.
Help!
Put your hands behind your back. 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 Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
It's hurting me.
Turn over on your stomach.
I won't because everything that you just saw
You are
was
going to
recorded.
jail.
Send me to jail.
I have my body cam on.
I'm going to sue. Good.
Good luck.
Good. I'm going to sue you.
Good luck.
What's your name?
It'll be on
Say your name.
It'll be on your arrest
Say your
affidavit.
name. Will you have him
93,
say
I'm
his name,
1013. I just
please?
got a hold of here.
His name and his badge number.
Don't move and don't reach for anything.
I'm not doing anything.
Don't reach for anything. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. My knee is up the ground.
Please get it off my back. What's your name?
Stop moving.
What is your name?
Stop. 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 Stop moving.
Never did anything.
Stop moving.
Put the cuffs on and then he'll relax, okay?
Arrest me.
You are under arrest.
Kill me. Kill me.
Bring your other hand back.
You don't have to grab my hair
bring
like
it
that.
back.
You don't have to shove my arm like that. That's unnecessary force. He literally just grabbed my hair, ran my head to the side, and then grabbed my arm to the side for no reason.
9-3, slow everyone else down. She's in custody.
Oh yeah, the
They're
threat.
not double locked
The
yet.
threat. I'm glad you're a strong man. I hope that you feel strong.
Stop moving.
You're a tiny ass motherfucker.
It's fine.
Oh yeah, put all your weight on me, why don't you? Because that's all you have.
Man, we're gonna put you on the side, all right?
You guys are fucking stupid. I just wanted to go to my house.
No, what you wanted to do was grab me from behind when I was...
No.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
I'm not gonna lie, they are quickly becoming one of my favorites because of that right there. That little message that they always put in there, you know, subscribe, yada yada. We cut out a lot of the nonsense because we respect your time. I don't know if you've been watching the channel for a while, you've noticed within the past probably week or 2 weeks, you've seen me do more crime scrutiny videos. They are quickly becoming one of my favorites, like legit, because of that reason right there. They cut out the BS, you know what I mean? Whether they're getting this body cam footage themselves or they're taking it from another channel, whatever, and repurposing it, or whatever. I don't give a crap. Whatever, however they do it, they do it. But they keep the important parts. Some of these body cam videos, they make them, you know, so long that it's just it's a lot of dead space or a lot of like just conversations and stuff that's not necessary. You know, they are quickly becoming one of my favorites, and that's why I keep doing more and more of their videos, man. Good stuff, Crime Scrutiny, man. Good stuff. Anyway, and pertaining to this lady, she shouldn't have been putting her hands on the cop, because even with that being said, The cop tried to get in the car. She grabbed the cop. The cop grabbed her. Like, yo, yo, be easy now. You touch me again, you going to jail, yada, yada, whatever. Don't get in your car, okay? Boom. And now he trying to, but she kept pushing and pushing and pushing. And now you going to jail, man. Now you going to jail. Something so simple, man.
I have nothing on me. I just want to see my dog. He got overturned by me being a big girl.
Stand still.
Stop. I don't give a fuck. What you're doing to me is unreal.
Okay, she's good.
What you are doing to me right now is not okay.
We're trying to check for you for
I'm trying to go to my house, which is behind me. I have no weapon. All I asked if I could park in my spot.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Sit guys,
down.
I'm fucking fine.
Sit down.
Just sit down, all right? It's over.
It's not over. I know I'm going to jail.
Sit down.
My dog needs to be taken out. Tell me why I'm going to jail right now.
Or battery on law enforcement.
What did I do to him? I did nothing to him. I did nothing to him. You are all going to jail for battery. I'm going to sue you all.
She's the one that called. She lives here. Go to get in my car. She grabbed me from behind. Tried to push her up against the sign. She keeps reaching like in her pocket and then is like jerking arms away. I had to take her down to the damn ground. And then I was in a stalemate. I couldn't move her on. So yeah, I went from 0 to 100 in like a second.
Why are her handcuffs in the front?
I didn't put them in the front. She slipped them.
Well, let's fix that.
Okay.
Take her out to jail.
She's going to want to fight me.
Step out of the car, turn around and get the car.
That's fine.
Ma'am, I know these handcuffs are gonna.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Completely understand.
All right, this was, you're obviously like one kind of free pass for moving up to the front. If you do that again, you're gonna have an additional charge.
I will also like charge you to the full extent of the law. Like, fuck you guys. I did nothing wrong. If I can put you in jail, I'm going to put you in jail for the rest of your life.
You're not going to be able to.
And I hate you, and I hope that you die. Like, you guys are the worst. I'm just trying to go home. What did I do wrong?
Foot in the car.
What did I do wrong?
I'm not gonna tell you again. Put your foot in the car.
Slam the door on my leg and break it.
Let me see.
Thanks for looking out for us, guys. Instructing the justice on this society that needs putting the bad people away, eh? I hope every single one of you guys gets cancer of the epidermis.
Wow. She's fun. We're going to come out. Let me take off your seatbelt, babe. Let go of the seatbelt, ma'am. Let go of the seatbelt.
I don't know who the fuck you are or where the fuck I am.
Officer Beerbauer, Key West Police
No,
Department.
I want recording of where I am.
My body cam is.
No, I don't trust you.
You're refusing to get out?
I want
You're refusing to get out of the vehicle?
Please
Okay.
record where I am.
Hey, sir, refusing to exit. Can I have a CO come down, please? Battery on Leo, and she's now refusing to get out of the vehicle.
I don't trust him.
Ah, good old CO brother, man. Good old CO brother, man. I love it, man. We gonna work with the cops. Let's see, man. Come on. You a CO? Come on. Hey, don't let me down, man. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm expecting big things out of you, man.
Okay, Miss Jackson.
That guy. I want his name and his badge.
You're gonna get
I don't care.
It's gonna make it worse.
He pulled me down. I want his name. He's the one that
Get
said.
inside, man. He's coming inside with.
He's the one he said.
What do you want me to do? I'm a nice girl, and this guy was just there for. He was parked in my spot. I'm a menace to society in what way? I don't understand. It doesn't make any sense to my value as a human in mother way.
According to court records, Michelle was arrested on charges including battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer without violence. Bond was set at $35,000. The case was resolved through a no-contest plea, with the felony battery charge reduced to simple battery. Adjudication was withheld on both counts, and she was sentenced to 2 consecutive 12-month probations, along with $1,015 in court costs.
Wow. Yeah, man. Crime scrutiny, man. Y'all quickly becoming. Look at this. Look at this. 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Quickly becoming one of my favorites, man. You guys are getting straight to the point. Yeah. I love it. I love it, man. Just another nut job, man, as far as she's concerned. Just another nut job. That's it, man. Plain and simple. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.